This is KC Life Adventures in Belgium.
Good morning.
Good morning. What's up? What's up, Belgium?
How was your night?
It was good. There you go. Sun is out.
Yeah, that's awesome. Good morning and welcome back to a new video. Welcome back to KC Life Adventures. This morning we woke up on a campsite in Belgium, and the first thing we needed to do before having breakfast was doing the dishes. So you're going to be a very good van lifer, aren't you? Because you know how to wash dishes with less water.
Be what?
A very good van lifer. Because you know how to wash dishes with a small amount of water.
Alright, so that's how we wash. So the next process, you just there's enough water here, and it is very cold, so I think I'll do this. I'll just put it here, make it easy. And then do not wash dishes with the less water.
I don't think we are very good at that. If there's always enough water, then it doesn't really come out in your mind to save water.
I am freezing, but that water is cold. Those things are clean, right? Are they clean?
They are.
That's how good I am.
Did I ever doubt you?
Tell me about it.
There's the hot water bottle that we used yesterday evening.
Bila hiyo kitu standing ngelala, that thing helped me. Oof. I started freezing because the moment we arrived here, it took me like I think 3 hours when I was outside making videos, looking around, getting to know the environment and stuff. And you, what happens to you?
When it's cold, I just shut down. So I moved some of the videos that we took to the external hard drives and edited a video, made some thumbnails, edited some photos. That's what I did.
So in other words, you did not see where you're coming to when you arrive. You're just coming in.
Yeah.
Start walking. Alright, I think I'm done washing. It's 12 and we're about to take our breakfast here.
Yeah, for real now.
Alright, so
Let me set the table for breakfast.
me, I'm done. Of course, pancakes. I mean, double of course pancakes. Kiwi, granola, more buns. Of course, chocolate. Pindas, those peanut butter.
You want this? Or juice or water?
I'll take juice. That is choco milk juice. This is cocoa spread. I just don't want kiwi in it.
Okay, that's fine. There's only one kiwi. I bought some strawberries.
Oh. I don't like kiwi.
Okay.
I like it, but I don't like it in the mixture.
Okay. I won't give you kiwi then. Yesterday we had a really cold night. I was already very cold to begin with, and Chaps had wandered around outside for hours and after that cooked in the cold. So both of us felt like ice popsicles. That's why after cooking I asked Chaps to boil some water for a hot water bottle, of which really helped us at night.
Alright, the cold is getting into me right now. The reason I'm taking juice for breakfast is because
Boiling water for tea and coffee is like a big process.
It's a process. Okay. Alright, let me make my breakfast now. So my breakfast is pancake kama kawaida. Are you going to take pancakes?
No, I don't.
About 8. Are you going to eat bread?
Not now.
Not now means tomorrow.
Not now means for lunch in a few hours.
Thank you very much. Peanuts. Think you're done. Chocolate spread. Oh, this thing is hard. Because of the weather.
We need an anti-fridge.
For making things warm.
Yeah.
See how hard it is, eh? Can't even spread. But on a normal temperature, this thing is so slimy. It's chocolate-ish. Like, it just spreads easily. Avocado. This is the biggest avocado you can find in the Netherlands. Sorry. This is like the biggest avocado you can find here. I'll give you some.
No, thank you.
Okay. And I think I am done. So I'll be having this, that, and this. Voila. All right, enjoy the breakfast.
You too. After breakfast, Chaps moved the camper so that we could plug it into the electricity that was available at the campsite.
So how do you know it's charging?
I don't know. This middle one is usually not blinking. So I think that is the difference. It says AC in.
Right, there you go. Let me cook chapati. I don't know, the weather is too cold, so I hope this chapati is not going to be harder, come crisps. But as you can see, it's really soft, so spread too vizuri easily. we are good to go. There you go. So 3, 6, 7 chapatis.
I have oregano and paprika.
Oregano.
Not for a particular reason, but
Because you just like it.
it was just the first one that was there.
Whatever goes in fast goes in fast. Fast come, fast out there.
But with stew, it tastes different every time anyway. So you can use all the different spices to make. This is a whole new big ass can of tomato paste. Would have been better maybe for Vanlife to bring a smaller one, but here we are.
We only have like 10 minutes left. Then we go. Then we wash the utensils, clean up the doggo. You haven't even washed the van.
I know.
Yeah, we can still wash it. We have like 5 minutes, I think, left. That's enough to wash it. We leave the house.
I already started, but
You ready? What?
I already started.
Started what?
I already started cleaning up. It smells yummy.
Yeah, it smells yummy, looks yummy. It is yummy.
Okay. There's kiwi on them. You see?
That's what?
Kiwi hair.
Oh, kiwi the fruit.
You want the juice as well?
Yeah. That's soup.
Well, it's fit. It will fit.
Have I eaten this meat before?
Yeah.
Did I like them?
Yeah. You did.
This is a different one, yeah? This is the black beans.
Mm-hmm.
I think we call them jahe.
Jahe.
Yeah?
Yeah.
What did you say?
Almost.
No, what did you say? You said what?
I said jahe.
Jahe, you're almost there.
Because remember the day that we got married? That's when you cooked this.
What was the first place you ate jahe? In the Netherlands or?
In the Netherlands we don't eat a lot of beans. But I do remember very clearly eating black beans in Haiti. And I love them.
Haiti.
So that is my first conscious memory of black beans.
Haiti is Haiti, yeah?
Yeah.
Haiti. Okay.
So I think while we let them be for a bit, we can clean up.
Yeah, we can just clean up. Let me help with the hose. Yeah. How do you like the water? It's cold, yeah?
Yeah, it's very cold.
So we're done.
We're done.
Alright, let's go. I'll help you.
Thank you.
I'm still thinking, yeah? All right, here you go.
Ooh, those beans smell really nice.
Yeah, wait till you taste them na chapati in town. Another van lifer just checked in. Here's another camper. Here's another one. This is the upper. And we're about to leave. We just charged the battery. There you go. Voila. All right, we are off, and that was it. Campsite, Belgium. Goodbye, Belgium. See you next time.
Don't tell me we have to put the code in.
I told you. See that? I had a feeling, because they don't come to check who's in or not. So
It's not working.
you put the code.
Yeah.
I had a feeling.
Seriously?
So the gate has refused. The gate has refused to open, and Kris has to go all the way to the reception to ask why. Because initially we were supposed to leave exactly at 4, and it is 4:50.
We're leaving tomorrow before 4 p.m. That's very good news. That means we have a lot of time.
We are late. All right, so let's go see what's going to happen next. But for now, we just have to sit and wait. And now the fact that we are 50 minutes late, the gate cannot open, so I do not know. Maybe you have to pay some charges. Then we'll just sit and wait. Yeah.
There's no one. The whole thing is closed.
Even the bar.
Yeah, there's no one.
There's no even where you can
Probably
contact.
the only choice we have is just to buy another ticket. At the 24/7 reception, we were able to talk to the owner of the campsite through an intercom. And he was, fortunately, willing to open the gate for us so that we could leave without buying a new ticket and hit the road again for our next adventure.
High five, the gate is open.
For free?
I've never seen smell that. You have to, like,
Trying to get out of this campsite already for like half an hour. We keep stopping for things.
it's my problem, I know, but we have to take photos, yeah?
Okay.
Let's go.
Let's go. Yeah. Thank you so much for watching again. Please subscribe, like the video, leave a comment, and we would love to see you in the next video.